common from everywhere. So the terms become different. Okay, and then we get the mth term, right? That's what we want. So 2a1 plus 2m minus 1 into d1 upon same 2a2 plus 2m minus 1 into d2, right? This is what this left hand side becomes now, equals to n is over here. Instead of n we are putting 2m minus 1 equals to 7m into 2m minus 1 plus 1 upon 4 into 2m minus 1 plus 27. Getting it? See here, we are replacing everywhere n by 2m minus 1. Okay, so therefore 2a1 LHS we are solving now. 2a1 plus 2 into m minus 1 into d1 upon 2a2 plus 2 into m minus 1 into d2 equals to RHS now. 7 to the 14, 14 minus 7 plus 1, so 14m minus 7 plus 1 upon 8m minus 4 plus 27 equals to 14m minus 6 upon 8m plus 23. So RHS is now constant, keep it as it is. And now focus on left hand side. So take 2 common now. 2 into a1 plus m minus 1 into d upon a2 plus m minus 1 m minus 1 into d2, right? And RHS as it is, 14m minus 6 upon 8m plus 23. Okay, 2 gone. But what is this? a1 plus m minus 1 into d1, that is tm1. And what is it? This lower denominator tm2. Therefore tm1 upon tm2 equals to 14m minus 6 upon 8m plus 23. That is the required answer. Because to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.